right, so now that we have this in there, we're going to start applying some materials. I'm going to hit a few things, but for the most part, I'm going to expect you to kind of get this stuff right. So, if we got glass, bring in the clear glass, make sure it's on the clear glass. You might duplicate that one and let's rename the one that doesn't have the check. So that's the one that we do, and maybe that's trans. Makes sense. Great. There. It's pretty good. And so you go through and you kind of fix a lot of these things. This one, so we'll go and give it a metal, maybe this matte. I'm going to rename this to be do the mask. Sure to invert it. It's really dense. Good. Maybe go 5. Just give it a number. All right, so then you're also going to start to look at and compare it to the image. Okay, so we use this a lot. So what we're trying to do is just kind of match colors and whatnot that we see here. So I think if we just go in here, we probably need to tweak the color a little darker, something like that. Something like that. And then we could use that same material probably for this interior bit. I think then the eyebrow is going to get their own. So let's go ahead and I'll let you do that kind of stuff. Concrete's horrible, so you're going to have to find a better concrete, or maybe you can just see what scaling it kind of does. Slightly better, but it's very, it's not great. It's not great. It's not great. So, start to go in and tweak that. I think there's a lot of those elements that you need to find, you need to do create a material for. So, these mellow grates might be one of them. Think I've gone into this, but just in case I haven't, you need to be, if you see any that have arrows that you'd like to use, you need to click up here and authenticate that you're signed in to your Epic account, and then you can you can just download them. As soon as that's done, it's ready and it's available to you. So if I wanted to use that anodize for this, back, here we go, put them there. And then I can give it its own pattern. The tree. There we go. So now that looks looking pretty good. There we go. All right. So yeah, start to apply various materials and kind of use this to kind of help you understand kind of what that material needs to be. Just I want you to kind of fine tune that. And then we'll talk about the next steps is bringing the design into the Twinmotion.